In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create clear, actionable tasks that keep your work organized and moving forward. First, open your ClickUp account. If you're new, you can quickly create one and then sign in. If you already have an account, just log in as usual. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and open the specific list where you want to track this work. In ClickUp, a list is simply a container for related tasks, often grouped inside a space and a folder. Picking the right list keeps everything relevant and easy to find later. With your list open, click Add Task. You'll usually find this as a plus icon or an Add Task button at the top of your view. This opens the task creation window where you set the foundation for great execution. Start by entering the task name. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented. A strong title like Draft Q3 Report or Update Landing Page Hero Image makes it instantly clear what needs to happen. Next, add the task description. This is where you add context, the purpose, scope, and any important details teammates need to succeed. You can include links to docs, acceptance criteria, and notes on what success looks like. The more clarity you provide here, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get later. Now, fill in the other necessary fields your workflow requires. Common ones include the assignee to make ownership crystal clear, the due date or start and due dates to set expectations, and priority to highlight urgency. You can also add tags to categorize work, attach files like briefs or references, and use any custom fields your team relies on, such as time estimates, budgets, or client names. Only include what's useful, enough detail to steer the work without clutter. If you want to speed things up, you can also choose a template. In the task creation window, open the template options, browse the available task templates, preview one that fits your use case, and apply it. Templates can pre-fill your description, checklists, custom fields, and more, which is especially helpful for recurring processes. Once everything looks good and you've added the information you need, click Create. Your new task will appear in the list, ready to be worked on and tracked through your preferred view. That's it. Open your account, open the right list, add a task, name it, describe it, complete the necessary fields, choose a template if it helps, and then create it. Follow this flow consistently, and your task management in ClickUp will become clear, reliable, and stress-free.